Hi, in this video I'm going to explain about my main project, and my main project titled Vertical and Horizontal Supporting Interlocking Blocks Phase 2. Yeah, and I'm Tanoj, and my project guide is Miss Kautika. Here comes the introduction. With the increase in material cost in the construction industry, there is a need to find more cost-saving alternatives so as to maintain the cost of construction houses at prices affordable to clients. The potential for using earth as an alternative construction material have been seriously considered, since earth has been used as a brick in house construction throughout the ages. It is an interlocking concrete block which has a support of horizontal and vertical balance. For this type of interlocking, I have made two types: hollow block and solid block. Yeah, abstract. Study of this project involves in reducing a structural component need to be developed in masonry building construction in new interlocking concrete masonry block, and a worldwide interest in development of masonry of this type has been taken place in recent years. In this study, an attempt has been made to analyze a special interlocking concrete block system which was developed by Housing Research and Building. Here we implement horizontal and vertical support for each and every block for a 10 cross 10 feet wall. We use 100 blocks. The scope of project is clearly defined the specific field of research and ensure that the entire content of this thesis is confined the scope. The project is taught with a literature review on product specification in order to satisfy the project objective. After obtaining the product specification, this project is done based on the scope below. The primary objective is time saving, and it can be done without using the mortar in between the blocks. Like prefabricated structure, blocks are assembled at the site. Project will focus on interlocking block making machine only. Designing the interlocking block making machine that fulfill the project objective. Yeah, these are the literature review I have collected and I have gone through for my projects. Methods of interlocking block. Interlocking blocks are like two adjoining pieces of a concrete block. Each block has a projection at one end and a depression at other. The projection of one block fit into the depression of next so that they always align perfectly. The block have vertical holes in them which have a double purpose. Firstly, the hole reduces the amount of material required to make the block without compromising on its strength. Secondly, the steel rod can be inserted or mortar poured into them to increase the building strength and stability. The paper presented at the 13th World Conference on Earthquake Engineering in Vancouver, Canada by Martin Willard and R. Peter Berner provided the structural benefit of this construction method. There are two main materials used in the manufacture of interlocking block. Soil cement block made using a soil and cement ratio of between 1:6 to 1:10. Concrete block are made using cement to sand to gravel ratio of 1:5:3 shown in figure. Yeah, these are my mixed design properties I have been adapted for my concrete block design. Yeah, I have chosen M20 grade concrete. Yeah, these are the test data of my materials. Yeah, cement I have a specific gravity of 3.05, and then compressive strength of 7 days is about 46.5. For 28 days I have been getting 55. Yeah, for coarse concrete I have adapted 20 mm graded coarse concrete, and the specification is 2.68, and these are my fine aggregates. Yeah, these are my target mean strengths. I have to achieve K value is 1.65 and standard deviation is 4.6. Selection of water cement ratio and determination of water and sand content. Here my water to cement ratio is about 0.6. Yeah, that's all.